properly. There you go. You say hi to the people. Okay, we say hi, sawadee ka, like that. Hi everyone! Welcome back to another experiment that you can do and enjoy at home. And once again, saying, stay curious. Today I am with this little cute fairy. Say your name to the people, fairy.
Yes, I am Fairy.
Yes, her name is Fairy, and she's going to do this experiment with me because she likes it so much. Are you ready?
Ready.
Yes! Okay, so for today's experiment, we need a glass of water, a filter paper, but if you don't have a filter paper, you may use a tissue paper. Okay? I already cut one filter paper into 4 like this so that we can make use the most of it, okay? And then colored pens. I only have 2 colored pens here, orange and gray. So the first step, Fairy, are you listening? First step, get your filter paper cut already into this size or whatever shape that you want, that's fine. And then put a mark about 1 centimeter above the tip, okay? So about 1 centimeter above the tip, just like that, okay? And Fairy will do the gray one, okay? Fairy, do it. I'll wait for you, like this. Yeah, that's right. Okay, show them. Colored. Okay, show the people. Yay. Second step is to dip your filter paper into your water. Make sure that the water will not reach the marked color on your paper yet. Like that na? Okay, Mai?
Okay.
Okay, I'll do it first, okay? And then you the next. You will be the next, okay? Well, let's see what's going on now. Right? Yeah, see that? Now the water has reached the color already, and you see there's a separation of the colors going on. Because the thing is, orange is not actually orange. It's a mixture of different colors. And now in this experiment, we will see what colors are mixed so we can have an orange.
Orange.
Isn't that cool?
Pink, orange, and yellow.
That's right. Okay, so Fairy just saw 3 colors here. She said pink, orange, and yellow. Okay, Fairy's turn. Okay, Fairy, you do it.
Yes.
Okay. And then you tell me what colors do you see after 30 seconds, okay? Hey, Fairy, what do you see now? What are the colors that you see?
Yeah.
Red? Do you see red? Are you sure? Black, okay.
Yeah.
What else?
Purple.
Purple. What
And
else?
yellow.
Yellow. See this? So we started with 1 color only, which is gray, and then eventually the color separates into different colors because basically gray is not gray. It's actually a mixture of different colors. Okay? How does that happen? The method that we just used now is what we call paper chromatography. Fairy, can you say it again? Paper chromatography. Very good. So this method is what we call paper chromatography. We use paper chromatography as a technique to separate the different components of colors. So cool and so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this experiment just like I did. And Fairy, sanok mai? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yes. So why don't you do it also at home? So that's all for this experiment, saying goodbye, sawadee ka to all of you. I hope to see you soon again for another experiment that you can do and enjoy at home. Thank you.